Welcome to Arnica, and we are speaking very specifically here about Arnica caudifolia or Arnica montana. Arnica montana is the variety typically used in homeopathic remedies, which is the only variety of Arnica to be used internally. Arnica caudifolia and montana, they are toxic, so this is not a plant that you want to be using internally, but it's very, very good externally to help heal wounds. And the question that comes up is it good for hastening the healing process? And this is an herb that's used by midwives. It's used to help ease dental surgeries, post-injury trauma to the body. There's about 30 studies showing that applied before a surgery, it can help reduce swelling, pain, bleeding. And there's a few other studies that are neutral on this. They're not convinced that it has any different than a placebo effect. Research does confirm that Arnica stimulates the body's natural healing processes. So that's a very good indicator that it does, in fact, have efficacy, facilitating blood flow through an injured area, helping to alleviate pain, swelling, reabsorbing bruised tissues. It can prevent clotting, so there's a cautionary around be careful if you're using aspirin or a heart med like warfarin, blood thinners, because too much of a good thing, you could get excess bruising if you're already on those meds. But otherwise, this is an herb that's considered very, very good for external application, except in the homeopathic form, to use before surgery to help you heal faster, used after to help you heal. Certainly when there's bruising or spraining, Arnica is often available even in, bandages to kind of help the healing process along. It's never used on open sores because of its toxicity. And unlike poultices, which tend to be applied and stuck on for a long period of time, Arnica's applied over short periods. You apply it, especially if the skin isn't broken, and then you reapply it. So there you go. Arnica can help speed healing and is very popularly used by many, many people who absolutely stand behind its healing potentials.